In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Badoo subscription. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few ways to do this. So I'll go through the first way is using the Badoo app. So what you want to do is open up the Badoo app. And then from there, make sure to log in and then tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right hand corner. And then you want to tap on the gear icon, settings in the top right hand corner. And from there, you need to manage subscriptions. So scroll down and select payment settings or subscriptions. The wording may vary. And then cancel subscription. So find the option to cancel your subscription and follow on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. And now using the Badoo website. So go to the Badoo website and then log in using your account details. And then from there, click on your profile picture, top right hand corner, then select settings from the drop down menu. In the settings menu, find the payment settings or subscription section, and then click on the option to manage or cancel your subscription and follow the instructions provided. And now if you're on an Android device, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store, click on your user profile icon, top right hand corner. Then from here, you want to click onto payments and subscriptions, and then click onto subscriptions. Look for your Badoo subscription, click onto it, and then click cancel, and then that will cancel your subscription.